Artificial Intelligence and Skills. Skills for Success in Artificial Intelligence, a Comprehensive Guide. Introduction. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a rapidly growing field that requires a diverse set of skills to unlock its full potential. In this guide, we provide an extensive list of skills that are essential for a successful career in AI. From technical proficiencies to soft skills, we cover a wide range of capabilities that will empower you to excel in this dynamic field. Chapter 1, Mathematics and Statistics. 1.1 Linear Algebra. Understanding matrix operations, vectors, and vector spaces is crucial for various AI algorithms, such as neural networks and dimensionality reduction techniques. 1.2 Calculus. Proficiency in calculus, including differentiation and integration, is essential for optimizing AI models and understanding gradient-based algorithms. 1.3 Probability and Statistics. Strong knowledge of probability theory and statistical methods enables you to model uncertainty, estimate parameters, and make informed decisions in AI applications. Chapter 2, Programming and Software Development. 2.1 Programming Languages. Proficiency in languages such as Python, Java, or C++ is essential for implementing AI algorithms, handling data, and building AI applications. 2.2 Data Manipulation and Analysis. Skills in data preprocessing, cleaning, and analysis using libraries like NumPy and Pandas are crucial for working with large datasets in AI projects. 2.3 Algorithms and Data Structures. Understanding fundamental algorithms and data structures allows for efficient computation and optimization in AI applications. Chapter 3, Machine Learning. 3.1 Supervised Learning. Understanding algorithms like linear regression, decision trees, support vector machines, SVM, and ensemble methods enables you to build predictive models using labeled data. 3.2 Unsupervised Learning. Familiarity with techniques such as clustering, dimensionality reduction, and anomaly detection is crucial for extracting meaningful insights from unlabeled data. 3.3 Deep Learning. Proficiency in deep learning frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch, and knowledge of neural network architectures, convolutional neural networks, CNNs, and recurrent neural networks, RNNs, allows for advanced pattern recognition and modeling complex data. Chapter 4, Natural Language Processing, NLP. 4.1 Text Processing. Understanding techniques such as tokenization, stemming, and part-of-speech tagging is essential for processing and preparing textual data for NLP tasks. 4.2 Sentiment Analysis. Knowledge of sentiment analysis techniques enables you to analyze and interpret subjective information from text, such as social media sentiment or customer reviews. 4.3 Language Modeling. Proficiency in building language models, including n-grams, hidden Markov models, HMMs, and recurrent neural networks, RNNs, allows for tasks like machine translation and speech recognition. Chapter 5, Computer Vision. 5.1 Image Processing. Skills in image preprocessing, filtering, and enhancement techniques enable you to prepare images for analysis and feature extraction in computer vision tasks. 5.2 Object Detection and Recognition. Understanding algorithms such as Haar cascades, histogram of oriented gradients, HOG, and deep learning-based models allows for detecting and recognizing objects in images or videos. 5.3 Image Segmentation. Proficiency in techniques like region-based segmentation, thresholding, and deep learning-based models enables you to separate objects from background and extract detailed information. Chapter 6, Reinforcement Learning. 6.1 Markov Decision Processes. Understanding the theoretical foundations of reinforcement learning, including Markov decision processes and Bellman equations, allows for modeling sequential decision-making problems. 6.2 Policy Optimization. Familiarity with policy gradient methods, Q-learning, and value iteration enables you to develop AI agents that learn from interactions and optimize their behavior in dynamic environments. 6.3 Exploration and Exploitation. Knowledge of exploration strategies, such as epsilon-greedy and Thompson sampling, allows for balancing the exploration of new actions and exploiting known actions in reinforcement learning settings. Chapter 7, Big Data and Distributed Computing. 7.1 Handling Large Datasets. Proficiency in distributed computing frameworks like Apache Hadoop or Spark enables processing and analyzing large-scale datasets for AI applications. 7.2 Scalable Algorithms. Understanding parallel computing and scalable algorithms allows for efficient training and inference of AI models on distributed systems. 7.3 Cloud Computing. Familiarity with cloud platforms such as AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud provides the ability to leverage cloud resources for AI development, deployment, and scalability. Chapter 8: Data Visualization and Communication. 8.1 Data Visualization. Skills in creating clear and informative visualizations using tools like Matplotlib, Seaborn, or Tableau allow for effective communication of AI results and insights. 8.2 Storytelling and Presentation. The ability to articulate complex AI concepts, present findings, and tell compelling stories is essential for collaboration with stakeholders and decision-makers. 8.3 Technical Writing. Proficiency in technical writing enables the documentation of AI projects, research papers, and reports, contributing to the dissemination of knowledge in the field. Chapter 9: Problem Solving and Critical Thinking. 9.1 Analytical Thinking. The ability to analyze problems, identify patterns, and devise creative solutions is crucial for addressing complex AI challenges. 9.2 Experiment Design and Evaluation. Skills in designing experiments, conducting rigorous evaluations, and interpreting results enable the iterative improvement of AI models and systems. 9.3 Debugging and Troubleshooting. Proficiency in debugging techniques and the ability to identify and resolve issues in AI code and models is essential for efficient development and deployment. Chapter 10: Continuous Learning and Adaptability. 10.1 Curiosity and Learning Mindset. A passion for continuous learning, staying updated with the latest AI advancements, and exploring new techniques and methodologies is essential for success in this rapidly evolving field. 10.2 Adaptability. The ability to adapt to new technologies, frameworks, and problem domains is crucial for navigating the ever-changing landscape of AI and taking on diverse projects and challenges. 10.3 Collaboration and Teamwork. Strong collaboration skills, including effective communication, active listening, and the ability to work in interdisciplinary teams, foster innovation and enable successful AI projects. Conclusion. The field of artificial intelligence requires a multifaceted skill set that combines technical expertise, mathematical foundations, domain knowledge, and soft skills. By developing proficiency in the skills outlined in this comprehensive guide, you can build a strong foundation for a successful career in AI. Remember, AI is a rapidly evolving field, and continuous learning and adaptability are key to staying at the forefront of advancements and driving transformative innovations.